E-learning module presented by ETDC Vijayawada SC Railway. Topic is tripping failures on conventional loco Arno base. For picking up abnormal signs for easy understanding, we will see various paths to the Q-Nonite, Q44 and MTDC for both 6 branches and 5 branches. First we'll see for 6 branches logo, that is Q-Nonite, Q45, Q44, C-Nonite. 2 coils are there, EFDJ, MTDJ. EFDJ for closing and MTDJ for holding and tripping. 6 branches logo. Single interrupter horizontal type VCBs. First, Q-Nonite paths. When HB on, the path from battery through HNCPA through HBA switch through fuse CCPA and CCPT, the supply will come like this. Through C-Nonite, normally close interlock. Through normally close interlock of C105, 106, 107. Through normally close interlock of 244, 246, GR025, Q-Nonite coil, Q-Nonite relay will energize. When HB on, the path will come like this. If any problem in this path, LP will experience ICDG through Q-Nonite. So second path. After closing of DC, there is charger pickup, the charger supply. Through normally close interlock of C-Nonite, C105, 106, 107. After closing of DC, along with Arno, direct motors, MESL1, MESL2, MPH, QCR also will pick up. Their circulation relays QSL1, QSL2, QPH will pick up. Their interlocks, normal open interlocks will close on Q-Nonite branch. Through these interlocks, QSL1, QSL2, QPH, QCR, 3Q46 and GR025 and Q-Nonite will get a supply. After closing of VCB, the supply will come like this to the Q-Nonite. So after closing of DC, that means after releasing of payload DC, so while counting 15 seconds, if DJ trips, there is a problem in QSL1, QSL2, QPH, QCR and consent motors. We will call this problem as Operation B Part 1. So after releasing of payload, we have to wait for 15 seconds because Q-Nonite is having time lag of 5 seconds even though any problem in the constant motors and relays. This problem we will call as Operation B Part 1. The third part. After closing of BLMT, so from charger to C-Nonite normally close interlock. After closing of BLMT, contactors C107, 105, 106 will close. Blowers will start MERH, MEMD1, MEMD2. Through their circulation relays, their circulation interlocks. That means QRH, QMD1, QMD2, normal open interlocks will close. The supply will come to the QNite like this. Here a dual path will come because parallel to the GR0 to 5, C105, 106, 107 normally open interlocks also will close. After closing of BLMT, so QNite will get path like this. If any problem in this path, that means no change is the MEMT1, MEMT2, MERH has to start and their interlocks has to close. So we'll call this problem as operation O. So from path 2 to path 3 changes is only QMT1, QMT2, QRH. So that if any tripping takes place after closing of BLMT, while counting 30 seconds, if DJ trips, we'll call this problem as operation O. Defect in MEMT1, MEMT2, MERH and their concerned interlocks. So we have to count here for 30 seconds because first MERH will start, after 8 seconds MEMT will start, after 8 seconds MEMT will start. Even if MEMT2 problem, after 5 seconds only through QNite DJ will trip. So we have to count for 30 seconds here for all operations has to complete. Number 4, fourth path. After taking off 6th notch, the charger supply through C1H, QMT1, QMT2, QRH, QSL1, QSL2, QPH, QCVR and Q46 through C105, 106, 107 normal open interlock, QNet will get path. Here GR0 to 5 interlock open and direct the path will be maintained through C105, 106, 107 normally open interlocks which was closed. After taking 6th notch, if you count for 15 seconds, if DJ trips, that is defective EM contactor C105, 106, 107 not closing or either any one not closing or their normally open interlock defective. This problem will call as operation 2. Like this, QNet having some 4 paths, an HP on, after closing of DC, after closing of PLMT, after taking off 6th notch. So with this we can troubleshoot some problems. Similarly, we'll see for Q44 also. For Q44 also, while closing of DC, when BLRDJ press, so the path will come like this from battery. So addition CBA, HBA switch and through CCBA, CCPT, through Q45. When BLRDJ press, Q45 will energize and QNet already will energize when HB on. So through ASMJR like this path will be maintained when BLRDJ was pressed after picking up Q45. So if any problem in this path, so we'll experience ICDJ through Q44 not energizing. This is the first path to the Q40. So after closing of DC, so supply will come to the auxiliary power, that is the A0A1 terminals. The same supply will come to the Q30. Q30 also will energize. After closing of DC, here a dual path will be maintained like this. From charger Q30 interlock to GR0, Q44 will maintain. And after closing of DC, along with Arno, night modus will start, MA7, MA2. BLRDJ not release, to BLRDJ release, this Q45 interlock also will close. Here after closing of DC, before releasing of BLRDJ, 3 paths will be maintained. One through Q30 and GR closes on 0. Second is through Q30 and QS7, QSA2. Third is through Q45. After releasing of BLRDC, that means BLRDC release, Q45 will de-energize. So when Q45 de-energizes, Q45 interlock also will open. Now the path has to maintain through Q30. If DC trip, we can say it's a defective Q30 after releasing of BLRDC. This problem will call as Operation B Part 2. After releasing of BLRDC, DJ trip immediately. That problem is called Operation B Part 2, that is through Q30. Next, after releasing of BLRDC, the path will be maintained like this. Next path. After taking off first notch, this GR 0 interlocks also will open. So the only one path you can see. So after taking first notch, the Q44 has to get path through like this, through Q30 interlock and QS7, QSA2, Q98 and SMGR close on full notches. After taking off first notch, if DJ trips immediately, so the problem may be with this relays MAS7 and consent delay QS7, motor MAS7 and consent delay QS7, MAS82, QSA2. So you can see here, this problem may be here, that is MAS7 defective or QS7 defective, MAS82 or QSA2, or this taking excess time, more time. So GR traveling time more than 0.6 seconds. Through this, through Q44 disable trip, this problem will call as Operation 1. And path to the MTG. Here in 6 branches loco, EFDG is closing coil, MTG is holding coil. There is only one path here for MTG. You can see here. And similarly for EFDG also. EFDG not energized will experience ICDJ through EFDG. So here EFDG is closing coil, MTG is holding coil and tripping coil. MTG is not getting path, MTG was not energized. So DC will close but will not hold. So we will experience operation so MTG is not pick up means so DJ will close, it will trip immediately. That problem will call as operation A beginning. Similarly, these path will see in the 5 branches circuit also will see. So we'll see 5 branches loco also. So in 5 branches loco also, the various paths to the Q node is same as 6 branches. When HB on, after closing of DC, after closing of VLMT, after taking 6th notch. For Q44 also, same as 6 branches logo. So when BLJ press through Q45, after Q30 pickup, to Q30 and a parallel path of GR0 and QSA1, QSA2. After taking notch, to Q30 and QSA1, QSA2. Same as 6 branches logo. There is only one difference in paths to the MTDJ branch. So we'll see. While closing DJ from battery supply to CCBA, CCPT, CCTC like this, Q44 interlock to the common branch, to normally interlock of QLE, QA, QLM, QOP1, QRSA1. After C18 pickup, so C18, this MTJ coil will get path. If you are not getting supply to the MTJ coil, any problem in this branch, will experience ICDJ through MTJ. So up to 7-8 will pick up, but MTJ will not pick up. So you experience MTJ through ICDJ. So after closing of DC will close and this DC interlock will close here. So after closing of DC, the path will be maintained like this. So initially through C18 this path was maintained. After closing of DC, the path will be maintained through DC. After starting this cutoff, this C18 interlock will open. So final path will be like this. If C18 interlock defective or C18 is not closing, we will experience ICDJ through MTJ. If this DC interlock is problem, DC normally open interlock is problem. DC will close through C18 interlock, but it will not hold. We will call this problem as operation ending part 2. This problem will be only in 5 branches locos. So 6 branches loco, this problem will not be there. This problem only in 5 branches loco. Operation ending part 2. Finally, ICDJ. ICDJ will come through less air pressure, battery voltage less, or this Q90 is defective, coil branch defective, Q44, Q45, C18 coil. In 5 branches loco through MTDC, in 6 branches loco through EFDC. No tension. While working a train, the OH is not there. Through this Q30, DJ will trip. If there is no OH, while picking abnormal sign, while closing DC, there is no OH, RMA will not start. C18 starting phase will not cut off. So this interlock will not come to the normal position. Similarly, these motors will not pick up, their interlocks will not close. So after 5.6 seconds, DJ will trip through Q18. That problem will call as no tension. A beginning. So if any problem in QLE, QE or QPDC in the MTJ branch, in 5 branches loco or temporarily QOP1 problem or MPJ coil itself defective. In 6 branches loco will experience operation AB. So 5 branches loco, if MPJ coil is defective, we'll get ICDC. In 6 branches loco, if MPJ coil is defective, so DG will close through FDC, but it will not hold. We'll call as operation A beginning. Operation ending. If RNO not working or QCR defective, starting phase will not cut off. Here you can see this will not cut off. This interlock will open permanently and DG will trip after 5.6 seconds. So similarly, these motors also will not pick up. Interlocks will not close. Relays interlocks will not close. DG will trip. This problem will call as operation AD. Next, operation B part 1. So we already seen for Q9 first path was coming, but after closing up DC this path is not coming. If any defect in the MASL1, MASL2, MPH and their relay interlocks or QCR interlock defective, so DG will trip. This problem will call as operation B part 1. Similarly, Q44. Initially this path is coming through Q45. After leading up PLRC, the path has to maintain through Q30. If Q30 defective, so DG will trip after leading up PLRC. We call this problem as operation B part 2. Operation O. So after closing up BLMT for Q9, the path has to maintain through QMT1 third path of Q9. So through QMT1, QMT, QRS, the path has to maintain. If any problem, this one will experience operation O. Next, operation 1. So after taking off first notch for Q44, the path has to maintain like this through QS7, QSA2 and ASMR closure few notches. If any problem in the MA7, QS7, MASA2, QSA2 or switch operation of GR, DG trips, that is called operation 1. Next, operation 2. The fourth path of Q9, the path will come like this. So after 6th notch, this GR interlock will open. The path has to maintain through C105, 106, interlocks. If any problem in C105, 106, contact is not closing or anyone not closing or interlocks defective, so DG will trip. This problem will call as operation 2. So without any proper reason of this one, if DG trips, that we call as DG tripping without apparent cause. Final. So in 5 branches loco, if DC interlock is defective, so we'll experience operation ending part 2. So after DC will close but it will not hold, that problem will cause operation ending part 2. Preparation for abnormal sign picking up. DG tripped on 1. So we have to prepare our loco to pick up the abnormal signs. These points to be picked up from cap. From working cap, keep MP on 0. Ensure LSGR is glowing. That is GR on 0. It ensures GR on 0. Open all top row switches. So BLDC, BLCP, BLMT. So we have to open. Ensure Panto is in tried condition and touching to OH. It will ensure battery voltage is good, addition CBA, CCBA, CCPD are in good condition. Ensure MR RS pressure is available more than 6.5. So for rising of Panto, for closing of DC, we require minimum pressure 6.5 in RS or MR. We have to ensure the pressure more than 6.5 kg per centimeter square. Ensure all EM contacts, that is C105, 106, 107 are fully open. If these conductors are not open, this normally cylinder locks are open on equivalent branch, we cannot close DC. So we have to ensure these contactors are in open condition. C105, 106, 107. So for closing of DC, we require minimum battery voltage 90. So ensure battery voltage 90 and above. So ensure no safety relay targets are dropped. We have to check the safety relays QLM, QLE, QOE, QRS7, QRS82, QOP1, QOP2, and the targets you have to check. Ensure there is no safety relay target was dropped. In SIV loco, if we have discussed over Arno locus, in SIV loco we have to ensure LSSIT additionally. If LSSIT glowing, that is a SIV problem, either internal or external fault. So in Arno provide locus, how to pick up the abnormal sign we will see. So after preparation, if you notice any pressure less, we can start MCPA and we can build up the pressure. If any safety relay targets stop, troubleshoot accordingly. So now we'll see how to pick up the abnormal sign. First you have to close the DC. So close BLDC, press BLRDC, observe LSCC extinguish, humidity weight, auxiliary sound head, and LSHB extinguish. So four things you have to observe. One is LSCC, humidmeter, auxiliary sound, and LSHB. If LSHB extinguish, we have to release BLRDC. If LSHB not extinguish, wait until LSCC reglow, then only we have to release the BLRDC. Here are some important points we have already seen. If LSGR is not glowing and Panto also lowered, check CCPD healthiness. If any safety relays energized, troubleshoot accordingly. If battery mode is less, addition CBA bat is defective. So I said defective one. If RS pressure is less, build up the RS pressure. If everything normal, now we have to pick up the abnormal sign. So we'll see. So there are several tripping failures. ICDC, no tension, A beginning, A ending part 2 in 5 branches VCB loco, B part 1, B part 2, operation O, operation 1, operation 2, DCA tripping without apparent cause. So there are 11 tripping failures. We will discuss one by one how to pick up. First close BLDC and press BLDC and observe extinguishing of LSDC. If DC close, LSDC lamp will extinguish. If LSDC not extinguished means DJ was not closing, this problem will call as ICDC. Impossible to close DC. The reasons may be less battery, less RS pressure, Q98 branch not pick up, similarly Q45, Q44, C18 coil, EFDZ in case of 6 branches loco, MTDC in case of 5 branches loco, or VCB pressure problem. There is no sufficient pressure in the VCB, ACON problem. These are the reasons for ICDC. When we close BLDC, press BLDC, LSDC remains glowing. So after extinguishing of LSDC, we have to observe UV meter and auxiliary sound and LSDC extinguish. If UV meter not deviating, that means there is no OHE. If there is no OHE, UV meter will not deviate, auxiliary sound will not come, charger also will not pick up, but only DJ will close. So this problem will call as no tension. While picking abnormal sign, when BLDC close, press BLDC, LSDC extinguish, UV meter not deviates, auxiliary sound will not head, LSHP also will not extinguish. After 5.6 seconds, so DJ will trip. So this tripping of DJ will take place through Q18. So Q18 starting phase will not cut off and MESL1, MESL2, MPH will not start. Their interlocks open. DJ will trip through Q18. After 5.6 seconds, that we will call as while counting 15 seconds. So DJ will trip. The trouble is no tension. Reasons for no tension are any accident, there is no OHE supply, Panto not raised properly, foreign body and loco roof, cut in roof bars, cut in main winding, cut in auxiliary winding. Third one, operation A beginning. While closing BLDC, pressing BLDC, LSDC flickers. That means DJ was closing, but again it was not holding, it was tripping. The reason may be QLA defective or temporary QE or QPDC defective on MDJ branch. MDJ coil itself defective in 6 branches. DJ closing through EFDC but not maintaining through MDC in 6 branches. This problem will call as operation A beginning. BLDJ close, BLDJ press, LSDC flickers. Fourth one, operation A. In case of Arno or QC are defective, if Arno defective, auxiliary sound will not come, and charger also will not pick up, LSHP also will not extinguish. QCR is defective, up to auxiliary sound will come, LSHB alarm will not extinguish. DJ will trip through Q-narrate branch because starting phase will not cut off and direct motors will not start. So after 5.6 seconds, that is after while counting of 15 seconds, DJ will trip. Now we'll see how abnormal sign pickup for operation AD. Close BLDC, press BLDC, LSCC extinguish, UV meter deviates. Actually, sound may or may not had. LSHP will not extinguish. So after 5.6 seconds, that is after while counting of 15 seconds, DJ will trip. That is called operation A ending. Defective or no, defective QCR. Here, if R no defective, active sound will not come. QCR defective, active sound will come. Fifth one. So while picking abnormal sign, if LSHB extinguish, we have to release BLDC. LSHB not extinguish, we have to wait until LSHB is glow, so we can pick up to operation AD. So if LSHB extinguish, we have to release BLDC. We have to wait for 15 seconds. Count for 15 to pick up the abnormal signs of operation B part 1 and part 2. So we'll see operation B part 1. Close BLDC, press BLDC, LSCC extinguish, UV deviates, auxiliary sound head, LSHB also extinguish. We'll release the BLDC. You have to count 15 seconds. If DJ trips, this will call as operation B part 1. That means the path is coming to Q-narrate. First path is coming, second path through QSL1, QSL2, Q page, QCR interlock it has to come. So defective MESL1 or QSL1, MESL2, QSL2, M page or Q page or QCR interlock, this operation B part 1 will come. Pick up the abnormal signs. We have to wait for 15 seconds after releasing of BLDC because DJ will trip through Q-narrate after 5.6 seconds only. So we have to wait for 15 up to 6:15. So we have to count for 15. So operation B part 2, we'll see. So after closing of BLDC, press BLDC, LSCC extinguish, UV deviates, auxiliary sound head, LSHB also extinguish. After releasing of BLDC, if DJ trips, immediately we will call this as operation B part 2. So if Q30 is defective, so initial path through Q45 will come to the Q44. If Q30 is defective, after releasing of BLDC, the path has to maintain through Q30. So it was not coming, DJ will trip immediately. So that problem will call as operation B part 2. Operation Go. So after closing of DC, that means after closing of DC means BLDA close, BLDA press, LSC extinguish, UV deviates, auxiliary sound head, LSHB also extinguish. We have released BLDC. This entire process will call as after closing of DC. Wait for 15 seconds. We have to wait here for 15 seconds for picking of operation B part 1 part 2. So ensuring of no problem with operation B part 1, we have to wait for 15 seconds, then close BLMT. After closing of BLMT, we have to count for 30. If DJ trips, This is operation O. We'll see once again abnormal sign. After closing of DC, count for 15 seconds, close wheel empty. While counting 30 seconds, if DJ trips, that is operation. So first path okay, second path okay to the Q08, and third path after closing of wheel empty, the path was not maintaining. So defective MERH, QRH, MEMD1, QMD1, MEMD2, QMD2. That is operation O. Next problem, operation 1. After closing of DC, we have to wait for 15 seconds, count for 50, close wheel empty, count for 30, take one notch. So after closing of DJ means bail layer close, bail layer press, LSA extinguish, humidity deviates, accurate sound had, LSA process extinguish, what release. So entire process will call after closing of DC. So 15 seconds we have to wait for operation B part 1, part 2, close wheel empty. 30 seconds we have to wait for operation O. If any problem is there to pick up, then take one notch. So if DJ trips, that problem will call as operation. So after closing of DC, wait for 50, close wheel empty, wait for 30 seconds, take one notch if DJ trips, operation 1. So here Q44 is getting path initially through Q45. Through Q30 and GR0 also it's getting. Third path, final path. After taking notch, the path has to come to the Q44 through Q30, QS7, QSA2. This path is not maintaining or sluggish operation of GR. So DJ tripping. We'll call this problem as operation 1. Defective MSA1, QSA1, MSA2, QSA2, sluggish operation of GR. Next problem, operation 2. Abnormal sign pickup. After closing of DC, that means up to BLR DC, releasing. After closing of DC, count for 15 seconds for picking up any problem with B1, part B1 and part 2. Close wheel empty, count for 30 seconds for picking up operation O. Take notches up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count for 15 seconds. So while counting 15 seconds, if DJ trip, that is operation 2. Abnormal sign. After closing of DC, wait for 15 seconds, close wheel empty, wait for 30 seconds, take 6 notches while counting 15. So if DJ trips, that is operation 2. Here Q0H, first path okay, second okay, third okay, fourth path. After taking 6th notch, GR0 to 5 interlock open, and path has to maintain through C105, 106, 107 normal interlocks. So if any conductor not closing, C105, 106, 107, anyone not closing or not closing or their interlock defective will get operation 2. Next, without any proper reason, we discussed it so far, without any proper reasons, if DJ tripping, we will call as DC tripping without apparent cause. The reason may be any slackness of fuses, CCA, CCTJ, CCPT, or phantom bouncing, or momentary interlock defect on DJ control circuit, or GR stuck in various notches, So these problems we will call as DJ tripping without apparent cause. In 5 branches loco. So one more problem is there. Operation ending part 2. Operation ending part 2. DJ interlock parallel to the C180 is defective. We will call this problem as ending part 2. Abnormal sign. Close BLDC, press BLDC, LSC is extinguished. E-way deviates, auxiliary sound also heard. While releasing BLDC, LSC reclose. So here through C180 interlock DJ will close, DC interlock is defective on empty DC. While releasing BLDC, after starting phase pickup will release the BLDC, while releasing BLDC, DC will trip. This problem we will call as operation ending part 2. Defective DC interlock on MTDA branch parallel to the C180 in 5 branches low. These are the tripping failures. How to pick up abnormal signs for 5 branches and 6 branches loco. We have seen. Discuss one by one troubleshooting for all tripping failures.